Good morning, student. I'm your Stephen Sir from ICRA English Medium. Today, I'm going to teach you subject English, standard 3rd, and book will be Marigold textbook, chapter number 7. So today it's a poem, so let's get started. So our title is Puppy and I. So what is puppy? Puppy, it's a name of a pet dog. You might have seen many of the people, they keep pet at their homes. This is puppy, okay? And who is I? Who is I in this poem? This boy. Okay. I met a man as I went walking. We go talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said to a man as I went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. So here in this first stanza, first line it is written, I met a man as I went walking, we got talking. So here this boy is talking about this man. While this boy was walking towards where he wanted to go, that time he met with this person. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by, down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. So while this boy was walking, this man asked him, where you are going? He is saying, I am going to the village to buy a bread. You know bread? You might have seen or you might have eaten bread at the early in the morning, breakfast time. So this person is asking him to go with me, come with me, we'll go together. So this small boy is saying that, no, I don't want to go. I met a horse. As I went walking, we got talking, horse and I. So first, this boy met with whom? This boy met with a man. Now in the second stanza, this boy met with the horse. So while this boy was walking, he met the horse. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. So, what happened? These both started talking. So, horse asked this small child, where you are going? So, this boy replied he wanted to buy a hay. What is hay? Do you know what is hay, my dear student? Hay means चारा. घोड़े को जो चारा खिलाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. So this boy asking to the horse, will you come with me? Then horse said, no, I will not come. Another paragraph. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to my puppy as I went by, up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. So now in the third stanza, this boy is talking about the puppy. And both of them are talking with each other. So this time he is asking where you are going. Then puppy is saying, I am going towards the hill to roll and play. Then this boy is saying, I will come with you. So this beautiful poem which is written by A. Milne. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.